Today I'm teaching you how to make breakfast casserole in your Instant Pot. Hey guys, I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and I love my Instant Pot and I love sharing with you easy recipes your family will love. Today I'm taking my famous Hash Brown Breakfast Casserole and making it Instant Pot friendly. This recipe is perfect for entertaining. It's gluten-free, it's easy to make, it's adaptable to what your family likes, and it comes together in 30 minutes thanks to the pressure cooker. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is brown up some breakfast sausage. You can use any breakfast sausage you like. I often use my homemade breakfast sausage, but sometimes I even make this casserole using leftover cubed ham from the holidays or bacon. Use whatever you have on hand. That's one of the reasons this recipe is so great. It's adaptable to what you have and what you like. To saute breakfast sausage, go ahead and use the Instant Pot. Hit saute and let heat up for just a minute. Add in your breakfast sausage and cook until it's browned, breaking up into small bite-sized pieces as it cooks. Once it's browned, hit off on the Instant Pot, remove your inner pot, remove the sausage from the inner pot and place in a bowl, draining off any excess grease, and return your inner pot back to your pressure cooker after you've rinsed it out. Place your trivet in your pressure cooker and add in 1.5 cups of cold water. Next, whisk up the egg mixture. We're using 6 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk or cream, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Whisk that up until well combined. Now it's time to layer up our breakfast casserole. I'm using a 7 by 3 inch cake pan today that's heat safe. I'll link to the one that I use, and this is great for things like lasagna and breakfast casserole. You want to give it a good spray with nonstick spray, and then layer in 3 cups of defrosted hash browns. I'm using shredded hash browns, but you can certainly use cubed. I've even had readers tell me they use tater tots and they love it. Next, crumble up the sausage over the hash browns and pour in the egg mixture. Don't worry, I know it doesn't look like our eggs cover our hash browns, but they'll fluff up as they bake in the pressure cooker. Top with shredded cheese. I'm using Colby today. You can use Swiss or cheddar or whatever your family likes. Then cover with foil and place on the trivet in your Instant Pot. Place your lid on your pressure cooker. Make sure your vent knob is pointed towards sealed, not venting. And we're going to cook on high for 20 minutes. To do this, hit manual or pressure cook and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust until it reads 20. Once cook time has elapsed, let pressure release naturally for at least 5 minutes. At this point, remove the foil and you can broil in the oven if you'd like to crisp up the cheese for 2 to 3 minutes. And then slice up your breakfast casserole, serve with a side of fruit, and enjoy. It's a perfect recipe to entertain with, to have guests with, or just for your family to enjoy on a weekday or weekend morning. For this recipe and more Instant Pot recipes, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com, and happy cooking.